It's Carmen, no tripod today, so I'm gonna make it fast so my arm doesn't hurt. Well, today I'm gonna be talking about how to have more time in your day. Yes, you heard it right. Well, we go by day to day and then you wake up and next thing you know, it's like 5 p.m. like, oh my God, I still have this, and this done. Let me know down below if you ever feel like that. Well, this isn't gonna come as a surprise to anyone, but like anything, it's your perspective. So one question I always ask myself is, how much can I get done in 60 seconds? You can get a lot done in 60 seconds. And if you just shift your perspective a little bit like that, you'll notice how much more time and how much more effective you use your time. And of course, like with that, you have to have clarity on what you need to get done and have an order of how you're gonna do it. But really, when it comes to perspective, it helps give you a lot more time in the day. Hope you find this useful, and when you ask yourself that question, let me know down below what happens. See you tomorrow.